Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Mistfall Hunter game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after clicking on it, it may take some time to verify the game files. Once the game files are verified, launch the game and check if the game is launching or opening or not. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So first of all, search for the game. If it's listed, well and good. If it is not listed, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here, and once the game is added, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to run Steam as administrator. So for that, go to the search option, search for Steam, and in the right hand side you can see run as administrator. Simply click on it, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimization, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, type -d3d11, launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now try to launch the game and check. Similarly, for GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options. For discard overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in game overlay options, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to rename config folder. So you have to rename the config folder and after that launch the game and check if it helps to fix the issue. So go to the file explorer and after that go to users folder, select your name folder, after that click on view, click on show, click on hidden items. Here you will get app data folder, open it, local, after that search for the game folder, open saved folder. Here is the config folder, you can take a backup of it and after that you have to rename this folder. So simply rename it, and once you rename this, after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. So after that, here you have to expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there, or even you can search for NVIDIA app in your browser. After that, download the latest drivers and after that launch the game and check. Next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. So this will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam, confirm it, and after that log into Steam again using your username and password, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to change a DNS to improve the connection. So if there is any internet connection problem while the game is not launching or opening, then you have to change the DNS. So for that, preferred DNS and alternate DNS server is mentioned over here. You simply have to go to the search option, search for control panel. After that, click on network and sharing, click on change adapter settings, select your Wi-Fi, right click on it, click on properties. After that, select internet protocol version 4, click on properties, select use the following DNS. Here you have to type 8.8.8.8, and in the below section you have to type 8.8.8.4.4 and then press OK, and after that check if the issue is resolved or not. Next method is to disable mandatory ASLR. So for that you have to go to the search option, search for Windows security. Here you have to click on app and browser control. After that, go below under exploit protection. You have to click on exploit protection settings. Go below. Here you can see force randomization for images, mandatory ASLR. From here you have to select off by default and then click on yes. And after doing this setting, now launch the game and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below, click on the link over here to download Visual C++ files. After that, open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it. Click on yes. Wait for some time. Once you get setup successful message, close this. After that, you have to restart your PC once, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to move game to SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then also you can suffer from crashing or other issues. You can check it easily. Go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on storage, and here you will find whether your game is installed on SSD or on other drive. If the game is on another drive, you have to select it and then click on move option and move the game to SSD, install it, and after that click on the play button to check whether the game is working now or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option. This will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager, open it. Under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You have to select them, and after selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. This will close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphic settings, open it. Here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. From there, you have to select the game and add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, you have to click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, now launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall Mistfall Hunter game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from your PC. After that, you have to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam, log into it, and after that reinstall Mistfall Hunter game, and then click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Mistfall Hunter game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.